Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacey and I'm back with another video. In this video, I basically did an experiment to see what color I will get. I will be mixing all my Mica pigments together to see what color I get, and I did mix about 6 pigments. So enjoy the video. So once these are sold out, they won't be coming out because it was an experiment. So whatever color I get, I won't be bringing them back. Here I'm adding my coconut oil, olive oil, and vitamin E oil. Make sure you add your preservative oil cap too if you want to sell your lip gloss and you want it to last longer. And I will be using the flavor passion fruit from Get Suckered. Now I'll be adding my Versagel, but since I didn't want too many of these lip glosses, I won't be adding much Versagel. And I usually mix my pigments in the oils before adding the Versagel because you don't want any lumps in it. Now I'm going to be adding some stars to the lip gloss tubes. Like I stated before, this is the easiest way to get the lip gloss in the syringe without making any mess. Now I'm going to be filling up all the lip gloss tubes. As you guys can see, there is no mess. I didn't have to clean off the lip gloss tubes or anything like that I had to do in the previous videos. So that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna put on the lids, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.